The piece was played as more states and technique. Throughout the entirety of the movement, there is a high fluctuation of tone, pitch, and tempo. It is written in a higher register than normally played by trombone. These higher notes are much more difficult to hold for an extended duration because they require much more breath control, lung capacity to execute properly. This is Yerushalayim, and this is one of my absolute favorite pieces. There's a lot of layering that happens with this, with each vocalist that's added in. Another segment of the band that's playing with them gets added in. There's a lot of accents that happen throughout the entire piece that really drive home the parts they want you to pay attention to. And then also the harmonies involved are absolutely delightful. What you just heard was Anchors Away. So when the drums come in, it opens with a cadence, marching cadence, helping everybody stay on the beat. And then when the band actually starts playing, it starts with a fanfare. Everybody's playing the same part, and then everybody kind of diverges off into their own little part right after that. It's in a major key. Marching music is usually a lot more rigid than concert music because you have to keep the beat to keep in step. Everybody has to be on the same foot. So concert music is usually a lot more fluid from note to note. Marching music is not. Just Pretend is a piece that starts out pretty bare, but as it continues, a lot more complex voices, instruments get added into it. Percussion mainly drives the rhythm with any type of metal rock percussion, and the bass usually that are the driving force behind the tempo. And lots of ebbs and flows with pitch. The main vocalist between his head voice and his chest voice. So I'm going to start talking about the original of I'm Not a Vampire. It starts out in major key. It's very fast paced. The electric guitar is what your ear gravitates to first. Ronnie has a very breathy tone. He has very, very wide range. And the song has a lot of similar vowels and lots of rhythmic sounds that are very much the same. And you notice it more because it's more fast paced on top of the beat. In the revamped version, it starts off very undaunted with a choral entrance in a minor key. It has a very much so, I don't want to say a depressing theme to it, but it does have like an air of sadness. Between each word in this song, there's more fluidity between each of the notes. It's legato and slow and it's connected. He's breathy normally in how he sings, but I feel like in this song what he did, he chose to use the breathiness in between the phrases versus continuing that breathiness throughout the entire thing. It helps really solidify